O primeiro día tocou castrar unha gatiña. A proba do delito.
When I was feeling heavy, like the light it left me, he said, "Come and let me curl up beside you, honey. When your world is feeling heavy, you can lay your arms
Non sabía que se lle viña enriba.
on me." He said, "Slow down, we're moving to a new
Non as quería.
We're spinning 'cause we know now we survived."
Pero ao final, ben quietiña que che estaba.
Now we get to fly. Waking up after the
Iso sí, Rebeca tiña que estar constantemente recheándolle o bandullo.
Is there any of me left to be found? I wish that I never come to this. I wish that I never would have come to this. You said don't feel the emptiness, pain and love that coexist. Just slow down, we're moving to a new sound. We're spinning 'cause we know now we survived. Now we get to fly. Now we get to fly. Now we get to fly.